This is Shah, and if you're watching XRP right now, this update is important because the chart is quietly giving signals that most people are missing. XRP's current price is around 1.87. In the last update, we clearly drew the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the key thing we were watching was structure protection. As you can see, price respected the left shoulder area, and more importantly, the right shoulder candle did not close below that level. That is a strong sign that sellers are losing control and buyers are defending their zone. This is exactly how reversals start, not with a massive green candle, but with price refusing to break key lows. When the market tries to push lower and fails, it usually means smart money is already positioning for the opposite move. Now let's zoom into the 1 hour time frame because this is where confirmation comes in. On the lower time frame, a falling wedge pattern clearly formed. Falling wedges are bullish patterns, especially when they appear after a sell-off and near higher time frame support. The most important part is that the breakout from the falling wedge is already done. This tells us momentum is slowly shifting back in favor of the bulls. After the breakout, price did not dump aggressively. Instead, it is consolidating and holding above the recent lows. That behavior is bullish. Weak markets fall fast after fake breakouts, but strong setups grind and hold. As long as XRP holds the last low, the structure remains intact and the upside bias stays as valid. From here, the plan is simple and clean. As long as price does not break below the protected low, direction remains upside. The first short-term target is 1.93, which is a minor resistance and liquidity area. If price flips that level into support, the next and main target remains $2. That level is psychological, technical, and also where a lot of traders are watching, which makes it a natural magnet for price. Even if Bitcoin moves sideways or shows small pullbacks, XRP is showing relative strength by holding structure. That is something you always want to see before a move. Markets usually reward coins that refuse to break when overall sentiment is shaky. Also, keep in mind that this move does not need to be explosive immediately. Healthy bullish moves often come in steps, with small consolidations in between. What matters most right now is structure, and structure is still bullish above the recent low. This is not the area to panic or flip bearish just because price is moving slowly. Slow movement after a breakout is often accumulation, not weakness. As long as XRP stays above support and respects the right shoulder zone, the inverse head and shoulder remains valid. So to summarize it simply, structure is protected. The falling wedge breakout on the 1 hour chart is done. Momentum is building and targets remain unchanged. 1.93 first, then $2. If you're finding these breakdowns helpful and want daily, no noise market structure updates like this, make sure to follow, share this with your trading friends and stay consistent. Discipline and patience always pay more than emotion in this market.